It was
It was quiet, eerie quiet. Saw a flash. I got this bit, oh, what's going on here? I said, oh, it's not right here. And then the lights went out. Could smell something in the air. Something not quite right. We've lost power. Hello? What's going on here? Turned the corner. There was a flame. It was getting bigger. An electrical flame. I thought, Jesus! So I yelled out. Fire! There's fire! Outside, tell them quick! Get the security guard to call the fire brigade. Ring the fire brigade. And I ran to where the fire was. Next you know, George from next door.
Well, I was walking to the rubbish bin and I heard everyone screaming fire.
It was mainly just Harry screaming fire.
Fire! Fire! The bucket's on fire!
So we ran over.
Are you all right, Harry? Harry, where are you?
Whoa!
Watch out, guys.
So what did you do?
I pulled out. It was out.
It's just an indication of how big that fire was.
Dude, lucky you spotted that.
Last week, they called me Sneaky Harry, Shifty Harry,
Dirty Harry?
Dirty Harry. I saved the block. Should be Hero Harry.
What's your superpower? He blows wind out of more than that one.
I can put fires out with my breath.
Do you have a cape?
Funny you say that. I do have a cape.
Did you just go get that, or did someone give that to you?
This morning, everyone came over because they heard about the great fire of the block 2020. We had a fire last night.
What?
And then I hear Dad, fire! Fire!
Call me alarm again, fire!
Luke, it was so funny. He was like, fire, fire! And I ran downstairs, and he ran up to it and went, and it went out.
There's a fire over there where that box is that they have, that power box right over there. I said, fire, fire! it was about here, that large. I thought, was that? It was going to get, I thought it may escalate.
But like many great superhero stories we all know, it's often the quiet achiever that is the true hero of the story.
Look, I'm not going to say anything, but George saved the day. Well, what happened was Harry was about to touch the electrical that had just been on fire.
George, kick me if I get electrocuted. Actually, give me a glove. There's a glove in there.
Dad, maybe don't touch it.
Don't do it, Harry. Harry, don't do it.
This is Harry, ready? And George was like, no! So in slow-mo.
Okay.
And that's how he saves the day.
How does that happen in slow-mo?
Harry, come with me with some light. We've got to go to the gate.
Yeah, okay.
George to the rescue. The fault had tripped all the way back to the main switchboard near the street. So we had to go find the key, open the doors and switch everything back on, make it safe and, yeah.
Bloody hell, mate. You saved the day.
He did save the day, and he's underplaying it, to be honest.
Just doing what any good Australian would do.
Like I've said many times, real heroes don't wear capes.
Yes. Super George.